Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to justify here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Justifying elements or text or any part of your design here in Adobe Express is a simple process. Now, if you are logged in already in your account, I want you to click the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can choose from any of these amazing and inspiring designs so you can justify the elements inside of it. If you want to upload your content and to start from scratch, just click this button. I'm going to be starting with this design. All right. Now, if you want to justify the elements right here, all right, so I'm going to add a new page. Right now, I'm going to add multiple elements. For example, a photo right here. This one. Maybe a couple of videos right here. And a few of elements like maybe a text. Add my text here. Going to choose a different font style, maybe this one right here. Okay. And maybe more text like this one. Now, here are some ways for you to justify all of the elements so you can blend them together perfectly. Number one option is go to the top corner and go to the margins. You might want to click on the show margins and show bleed so you have like a guide to justify all of the elements and place them together accordingly. You see that? The grid acts like a measurement for you to be able to snap all the elements together in perfect place. Now I'm going to put them here. Now for the text right here, for you to be able to justify it, you might want to use the alignment section. All right. You can use the top, left, center, middle, bottom, and right option for you to be able to do it. And of course, it's not going to move in place. All right. So after you've done that, you can also do this in the text right here. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so you guys can see that we have already put the elements here in place. All right. That's basically how you can justify all elements here in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.